You consider the statement for I in range 1 comma 4. For loop should end with a colon, and you can write print I. You know the meaning of this piece of code. It displays all the numbers from 1 to 4 minus 1, 1 to 3. So when you run the program, you get the answer, all the numbers from 1 to 3. Now, instead of displaying the numbers, if you want to find the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 3, the changes are, three changes are there. Print statement should be replaced with the answer variable equals answer variable plus general term. Here the general term is I. So here you can write I. Now initially answer variable should be given the value 0. Finally, that is after calculating the answer, you should display the answer. Okay, so these are the three changes. Print statement is replaced with this one. Initially answer variable given the value 0 and the answer should be displayed. Now when you run the program, you can see the answer 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, the sum is correct. What about the working of this one? Initially I contain range function returns all the integers from 1 to 4 minus 1, 1 to 3. So here you get 1, 2, 3. I takes the first integer in the range 1. Assignment operator, right hand side should be assigned to left hand side. Answer variable contains the initial value 0. I contains 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So now your answer variable points to 1. This is outside for loop. Just see the indentation. Okay. Now I takes the next integer in the range 1, 2, 3. The next integer is 2. So here assignment operator, right to left, answer variable now contains 1, your I contains 2, so here 1 plus 2 3, now your answer variable points to 3. Last step, now I takes the last integer in the range, that is 3, so now your I is 3. Assignment operator means right to left. What does answer variable contain? 3. What does I contain? 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now your answer variable points to 6. And 6 is nothing but the sum of integers 1, 2 and 3. Now no more integers are there in the range. You exit from the for loop and here the answer displayed. So summary is, instead of displaying the numbers, if you want to calculate the sum, remember the three changes. Change 1. Print statement should be replaced with the answer variable equals answer variable plus the general term. Initially, answer variable should be given the value 0 and the answer variable should be displayed. The last point, instead of finding the sum, if you want to find the product, two changes are there. Plus must be replaced with the multiplication and answer variable should be given the initial value 1. You can see the answer. Okay, 1 into 2 into 3, the answer is 6. Okay, so product is 6. And this we will make use of in many problems. So please make a note of this one.